The best way for you to avoid moving scams is number one, have a surveyor come physically view your home. Make sure the estimate is a bound not to exceed estimate, and make sure you never ever have to put a deposit down. Most major motor carriers will never ask for a deposit. Also, do your due diligence. Make sure they are registered with the United States Department of Transportation. Check with the Better Business Bureau. Do your due diligence and you will not run into any scams.
Avoiding getting scammed, Google reviews are a great way to look, but make sure you actually read the reviews. A lot of companies will pay for just positive reviews, so make sure it's real people. You can also look companies up on the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Association website. That'll give you a lot of history into the company itself, how they operate, their safety. And lastly, I always suggest that you go to the Better Business Bureau as well. Make sure that they're at least verified by the Better Business Bureau, and obviously an A rating is what you're looking for.